Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whatever it is, wherever you are. Hello. We are going to Comox again. I love being out there in February, and I kind of just want to kill a month so I can figure out where I want to go in the United States. Plan out for like snow and things like that. I got my snowboard with me now finally. Fuck, I didn't bring my helmet. That's okay. We can get that shipped out. I'll probably take a couple of days to get there. Probably take the scenic route to get there, and I'm gonna maybe hit some hot springs on the way out. I came to town to get like blood work done and kind of figure out all these things, right? So after 3 or 4 stool samples, an ultrasound, a bunch of blood work, and pestering my family doctor as to like throwing the kitchen sink and figuring out what the hell is wrong with me, because I did just drive 5,000 kilometers to get a diagnosis. We ended up on potentially a leaky gut. What's important now is to help my digestive tract and basically not throw alcohol at it, not throw processed foods at it, not throw sugar at it. In doing so, I can safely say that I definitely feel much better, like incredibly better. My energy levels are constant. I also haven't had a coffee in like 2 or 3 months, which, I mean, for me, I'm a big coffee drinker. I love a good cup of coffee and a good craft beer, and I can't have either. So I'm at a point where it doesn't even matter. I don't even care. Now it's just a matter of managing my situation and slowly looking to improve it. So I just want to say a shout out to my naturopath, Dr. Cook, Health Flow Naturopaths. I think that's what it is. This guy gave me a lot of confidence in the body being able to heal itself and using food as medicine. So that's what I'm at. I'm taking some supplements and just being very mindful of what I eat. And I feel great. We're gonna just take a moment here and enjoy the last kind of view here at Ghost Lake, because I've spent a couple of nights here over the last year, and I don't know when the next time I'm gonna be back here. I will see you guys on the road. So we're in Revelstoke, and it seems like we're gonna go check out my friend's art installation. That's fun. Yes, you could. Bro, Revelstoke's bumping tonight, eh? Holy fuck. Oh, I hope I don't die. So, I was driving through through Revelstoke, and I have a buddy that is from here. He actually worked with 2C for a little while, Andy. He's a great dude. So yeah, I stopped by because he had an art exhibit. There's a festival, Luna, and the Luna Arts Festival, I think is what it's called. And he had an installation, and so I went to check it out because I was in the area. I'm driving through. Why would you not stop by and see a bud? So that was nice. We went for a little walk and caught up a little bit. So now I gotta go find somewhere to sleep. I think I got a spot. Found it on Overlander. It says it's a mountain biking trailhead, and then tomorrow maybe I go on a bike ride? Wouldn't be the worst. Went right in. Literally. Yes. So that was pretty sweet. I'm glad I did that. I gotta force myself to go and do that more. That's kind of what I've realized. When I left Calgary, that's what my friend Chang said. So thanks, Chang, for the nudge, I suppose. I just crushed a can of tuna and a couple of rice crackers and some cucumber. And now we're gonna go hit the ferry and go to Halfway Hot Springs and just go for a little dip. We'll go from there. There's a lot of cute girls here with dogs and bikes, and so it hits the spot. Anyways, that's kind of all I got. use of this downtime and editing the vlog that I was working on last night so I can start getting things out to you guys. So there you go.